Dublin, the capital city, is a vibrant hub of history and culture. The Guinness Storehouse, Dublin Castle, and Trinity College with the Book of Kells are must-visit attractions. The city's lively pub scene, especially in Temple Bar, offers a taste of Irish music and hospitality. Traveling west, Galway enchants with its artistic vibe and bustling markets. Nearby, the Cliffs of Moher provide breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. The Aran Islands, accessible by ferry, showcase traditional Irish culture and stunning landscapes. Cork, in the south, boasts the historic Blarney Castle, where visitors can kiss the Blarney Stone to gain the gift of eloquence. The Ring of Kerry, a scenic drive in County Kerry, highlights Ireland's natural beauty with rugged coastlines, charming villages, picturesque lakes. For history enthusiasts, the Rock of Cashel in County Tipperary is a spectacular medieval site, while Newgrange, a prehistoric monument in County Meath, predates the Egyptian pyramids. Ireland's cultural festivals, such as St. Patrick's Day and the Galway International Arts Festival, provide vibrant celebrations of music, dance, art. Whether exploring bustling cities or tranquil countryside, Ireland offers an unforgettable journey through its storied past and lively present. Subscribe and hit the like button for more content.